Google is back at it again. The Pixel 9 Pro is finally here, and it's pushing boundaries like never before. With a sleek new design, a powerhouse AI-powered processor, and a camera system that could rival professional DSLRs. Is this the best Android phone of 2025? Let's find out. On design and display, let's start with the design. The Google Pixel 9 Pro takes inspiration from its predecessors, but refines it even further. It features a slim, premium aluminum frame with a matte glass back, giving it a smooth, fingerprint-resistant finish. 1. New edge-to-edge display. The Pixel 9 Pro sports a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED panel with a variable refresh rate of 1/8 Hz to 144 Hz, ensuring buttery-smooth scrolling and incredible power efficiency. Bottom 2. Increased brightness. Peaking at 2500 nits, it's one of the brightest smartphone screens out there. Smaller bezels. No punch hole camera. The under-display selfie camera is finally here, making the front look seamless and modern. Dual performance and AI power. Under the hood, we have the brand new Google Tensor G4 chip, built to take AI to the next level. Up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. Super fast performance. Dynamic AI optimized chipset. Focuses on machine learning, image processing, and battery optimization. Gaming performance. Capable of running Genshin Impact at 120 FPS with no overheating. But 4. New AI Assistant. Google's Gemini AI is deeply integrated, helping with voice commands, auto replies, and even photo editing on the fly. Google has always focused on AI-driven experiences, but the Pixel 9 Pro takes it to another level. From smarter voice recognition to real-time language translations, this phone is packed with intelligence. 3. Camera system, the real magic. There's one area where Pixel phones dominate. It's the camera. And Google is once again redefining mobile photography with the Pixel 9 Pro. 50MP main sensor, upgraded for better low-light photography. 48MP periscope zoom, 10x optical zoom with AI super res zoom. 48MP ultra-wide with a wider field of view. To real-time AI editing. Instantly remove objects from images using Google Magic Eraser 2.0. Fanciest 3. Best-in-class night sight. Astrophotography mode is now faster and sharper. 4. Cinematic video mode. Professional grade. 4K 120 FPS video recording with advanced stabilization. With features like AI-powered editing, better low-light performance, and an incredible zoom. This might just be the best camera system on any smartphone. For battery life and charging. What good is power without great battery life? The Pixel 9 Pro comes with a 5100 mAh battery. And thanks to AI optimizations, it lasts even longer than before. 1. Improved adaptive battery. Learns your habits and extends usage time. 200 watt double up fast charging. 50% charge in just 15 minutes. D. Reverse wireless charging. Power up your earbuds or another phone wirelessly. Google has really stepped up in the battery department. Say goodbye to midday charging anxiety. Software and exclusive features. Of course, it wouldn't be a Pixel without stock Android and exclusive features. Runs Android 15 out of the box. Faster, smoother, and more secure. 2. 7 years of software updates, making it the longest supported Android phone yet. 3. Pixel exclusive AI features. Call screening, auto summarization, and AI-powered reminders. Their personalized UI, AI-generated wallpapers, themes, and custom widgets. This is Google's best software experience to date, giving you an AI-powered smartphone that truly adapts to your needs. Should you buy it? So, Should you buy the Google Pixel 9 Pro? Buy it if you want the best smartphone camera. You love stock Android and long-term updates. You want a phone packed with AI features. Skip it if you prefer Samsung's One UI or Apple's iOS. You need S Pen or foldable features. You want a cheaper option, as the Pixel 9 Pro starts at $1,089. Overall, the Google Pixel 9 Pro is a masterpiece. It's Google's most powerful phone yet, bringing next-gen AI, a stunning display, and an unbeatable camera experience. If you're a Pixel fan or just looking for the best Android experience, this is the phone to get. So, what do you think about the Pixel 9 Pro? Is it your next smartphone, or are you waiting for something better? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.